What's up, guys? So right here we're working with a classic case of a plumber that had no idea what they were doing and then had absolutely no regard for any other trades in here and just made structural damage just to run their work. What they should have done is just run this pipe here, punch through, come out, and then do the P-trap from the back side, and it would have worked fine. And if I know that, a plumber should have known that. Let me show you how to fix this. All right, so the fix is super easy. All you have to do is just basically box it out. We're going to put a double 2x10 right here, double 2x10 right here. And we're going with the double just because there is some wall sitting right on this. And there is, our shower is gonna be right at the top here. So I want it to be as strong as possible. So first we have to go ahead and cut our pieces in. So 2 pieces for here, 2 pieces for here, and then figure out where we have to sawzall this out. All right, so I want my wood to end up right here, and I'm gonna leave myself some room here for joist hangers. So if I want it to end up here, I'm going to come back 3 inches right there. That's for my 2 pieces of 2x10. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make my marks here. So then I know exactly where I gotta cut it. Now I'm gonna go ahead, measure this. So about 12. We'll come on this side, measure 12. Actually, it's this piece, sorry. It's this piece. Measure 12. And now I know where I have to make my cut with the sawzall. So same thing, I want to make sure that I have enough room for my joist hanger. So I want my wood beam to end up here. Let's come back 3 inches to there. So right about there. Then I can go ahead and measure this distance, 36.5. Come over here, measure 36.5. Right there. And that is where I need to cut this beam as well. All right, so now that we have this boxed out, the only thing that's left to do is use these joist hangers to then just reinforce this and really make it super strong. And it's very easy to install. All you have to do is basically nail off one side at a time. I typically go like this, tack those little ears in on this side. Then we're going to go on this side, push that in, tack that in, and then we have our nails here. These are galvanized nails just for joist hangers. I usually start off with doing the sides just because then it tightens it up first. All right, let's run through the numbers really quickly. So this was about $50 in materials, took us about an hour and a half to do. So we're going to charge the homeowner close to $250 in the change order. This is something that the plumber should have done and they didn't, and now the homeowner has to pay for it. That sucks. Follow for more videos like this.